Hey kids! Today we're going to teach you how to draw and paint a gorgeous glittery motorcycle. That's right. Have you ever been on a motorcycle? We're drawing the outline first, starting with the back wheel. This motorcycle frame is going to be made up of lots of different shapes and straight lines and curvy lines, rectangles, circles, all pieced together like a jigsaw puzzle. Now, if it looks a bit complicated because there's quite a lot of detail in our version of a motorcycle, you can always simplify it and do a much easier version, or you can pause the video and just copy each part step by step, one at a time. We have repeated things as well, like once you've done the back wheel, the front wheel's just almost exactly the same. So, time to paint. We're going to do a nice black tyre. And then the inside's going to be purple. And green. We're going to do every other section of our wheel in turquoise. Alternating with yellow. Lovely. The front wheel can be exactly the same. You can be as creative as you like with this. Choose your favourite colours, alternating or doing them the same. It's all up to you. Right, now we're going for the gold. We're going to do little details of our bike. And red. Purple, my favourite colour. Don't you think the back of the motorcycle looks a bit like a rocket ship? I'm just waiting for it to take off into space. Lovely bright green there. It really sets off against the other colours, don't you think? Gorgeous. Following the curvy lines and the straight lines. There, turquoise next. So take your pick of colours and choose where to put them. The good thing about doing lots of detail on our drawing is that you've got lots of different options of where to put different colours. You see, we've got little dabs of gold and purple and blue. It's like a gorgeous patchwork quilt of a motorcycle. Last but not least, it's yellow. That lighter colour really offsets the super bright and dark colours. And we're done! Good job, kids! That's amazing! Wow, look at our bike! It's the best bike ever! Brum, brum! Go on, let's go for a ride!